Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's George again. I got this new RC recently from Amazon.com. It looks like it's a hobby grade RC, and I only paid about $114 for it. I think it retails for about $180. It's the Hyper Go, I guess Drift RC or all road car. It's made by MJX RC. The item number is H14MK/14301. Let's go ahead and just get into it here. Let me get my box cutter here and open this up and see what we got here in this box here. Maybe that was the wrong way to do it. Alright. Let's open it up like that. Okay. See what we got here. Alright. So this is it looks like that's the controller. Right there. It's kind of small for, a controller, but it is a small RC. It's only a 1/14 scale, very light. Pretty basic, it looks like. You got some function button here, and I'm assuming this is the steering trim. It's kind of hard to see. You got off, and then 70%, and then 100%. I'm assuming that's the power speed or what going to the RC. But yeah, it'll work. So let's see what else we got in here. Oh wow, you got all kinds of stuff. Additional springs, maybe stiffer springs, looks like, possibly. Some tools, Phillips head, a charger, it looks like, and some extra body clips. 2000 milliamp 2S battery. Okay. Jeans connector. Alright. Some extra wheels. Looks like these are kind of like off-road type wheels, and these are very hard plastic. Looks like these are the drift wheels. Okay, let's get that out of the way, and let's actually open up this. Okay. Okay. Alright. So here's the manual. Hyper Go 1/14 scale RC high speed car. Oh yeah. Okay. Pretty detailed. Okay. Alright. Cool, good deal. I'll go through that. Here's the RC. Probably cut this, I guess not. Let me cut this. Put that away there. Alright, so here's the RC. Adjust that here. Yeah, this is nice. Wow. This looks like a miniature Arma infraction. Wonder if Horizon Hobby is going to go after them for any type of copyright or trademark or whatever for this body, because yeah, this body is very similar to an Arma infraction. It's pretty nice looking though. I like it. Body clips. Take these off. And check out the inside of this. I think you got to be careful because I think it's got LEDs. Yep, it's got LEDs, and so you wanna unclip this here before you take this. Wow, it's kind of difficult here. There you go. All right. So yeah, it's a nice little body. It's got LEDs in the front and the back. A little controller here probably, but yeah, it's a nice body. So It's got looks like a extra protection from rocks and gravel, I guess. This clear protector here, and I don't know if I'm going to use that. I probably won't. That's probably not necessary. I'm going to essentially run this inside. This is going to be an indoor RC. I'm not really going to take it outside. I got other RCs for outside, but yeah, I'll probably just recycle that. But yeah, this looks nice. Oh, this, yeah, metal chassis here, aluminum chassis. You got aluminum oil-filled shocks. Yeah, you know, this is looks like a brace here, aluminum cross, chassis brace here. Very similar design to Arma vehicles here. ECS, yeah, ECS fan and a fan for the motor as well. A little gyro here, and oh, I get another battery. Look at that. We got 2 batteries that came with this. That's pretty cool. I think there's another 2S battery probably. Let me see here. Yeah, another 2S 2000 milliamp hour battery here. So that's pretty cool. Not bad for $118. Yeah, you know, I used a coupon. I think it was like a $40 off coupon, and I had some, some other points. So yeah, it came down, out the door was 118 bucks. You can't beat that. And this is a hobby grade RC, guys. I mean, it's got little cooling fins for the motor here. CVDs, Not sure if these turnbuckles are adjustable. It doesn't look like they're adjustable. Possibly, but yeah, CVDs front and back here. Cool. I'm gonna run this, charge it up, and let Chica play with it. Until next time, y'all take it easy.